Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you an all-new 19 Montauk by Boston Whaler. I'm going to go ahead and start in the back. This does have 150 horsepower Mercury on it. Right over here we do have a boarding and exit ladder, so easy to get on and off the boat. We have 4 rod holders in the back, and you can also use these rod holders for backrests. The backrests come from the factory at Boston Whaler that they fit in right there. You can put cushions right here so you can have additional seating. Right here, we have the reversible leaning post with the live well built in. That goes in there and it just will recirculate water in there. Coming up to the helm, we do have a Garmin display. All your gauges at very easy view, and all your switches in very easy reach right here. Fusion head unit. This boat was ordered with a fishing package. One of the features that includes is going to be this tackle station right here. You got rod holders up here and additional storage for your pliers and knives back here as well. 2 cup holders right here. You can't get enough cup holders. Coming up to the front, we do have the Minn Kota Terrova. That's an iPilot right there, so you can control it with a remote. Super easy. Once you use it, you'll never go back. And these 2 lockers right here, we have an anchor locker and a fish locker that you can also use just for, regular drinks and whatnot if you don't want to get it all fishy and whatnot. But again, you guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax showing you the all-new 19 Montauk by Boston Whaler. Come by and see us soon.